Let's go to Liquor 1430. Check if a string is valid sequence from root to leaf path in a binary tree. It gives us a binary tree root and also integer array AR, and check to see if this AR is a valid sequence from root to leaf. Um, so so what we need is we can do DFS from the root to the leaf, right? So trying to see if the sequence uh, if there is any of the paths have the sequence the same as the array, we return true. So if we do DFS, we have this DFS return a Boolean, and also we need an index in this array. So we can write a return DFS root array index there, right? So have a Boolean DFS tree node int array int index, right? So what is the termination condition? Um, so we know if this kind of node equals none, right? Or this kind of mm, uh, index is greater equal to array.length, we should terminate, right? But the thing is that here, um, we cannot write this one return, for example, node equals null and index equals array.length. This is not correct, right? Because it is possible we have this kind of scenario, right? So this is null when we finish the DFS. Um, but the thing is that this apparently this is not a leaf, right? So only when so because this tree node it has two scenarios, two nodes, right? So what we need to do is that for this kind of scenario, we all return false, right? And we are write all this kind of node dot value doesn't equal to array dot index. For this kind of three scenarios, we all return false. So so we are right if index equals array dot length minus one, right? Then we return um, this node dot left equals null, and this is a leaf, right? Node dot right equals null. Then if either of the left child return a true, or the right um, return a true, right? We are have this one return true, right? So this will be the code. The time complexity will be O(n), and the space we is that the recursion way to do the DFS, right? So it will be OH the height, right? So worst case is O(n). Um, base case if it is very balanced is log n, right? Let's also write Python code for this. So we need to define DFS node. This is tree node. Um, or we are going to um, we can have for example optional, right? Optional tree node. And index is an integer. And this one will return boolean. So the thing is that if a node is null, or index is greater equal to array dot length of array, right? Or node dot value doesn't equal to array dot index. In this case, it will return false. And let's say if the index equals length of array minus one, return node dot left is none, and node dot right is none. So in the end, we just return DFS node dot left index plus one, or DFS node dot right index plus one, right? So for our main function, we just return DFS root of 0.